Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil in a Subaru Outback. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, the correct engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process, saving you time and effort later on. Let's get started with the actual draining. Now let's drain the old oil. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, you can proceed to the next step. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Unscrew the old oil filter and dispose of it properly. Before installing the new filter, apply a small amount of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then tighten the drain plug. Finally, pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 2 quarts for this model, through the oil fill cap. After refilling, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start your engine for a minute to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck the level. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil at a local recycling center. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keeping up with regular oil changes helps maintain your vehicle's performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.